Do you feel anxious submitting your pull requests? Do you feel that your colleagues are too harsh on you? Or maybe yourself, you think that you are too harsh or too kind, where you see things in pull requests and you don't want to comment to not offend your colleague. Today, I will show you 5 ways how to improve your pull request and your contribution to others. Hey, it's Darius of devconfident.com. Before we start, remember to hit like and subscribe for more content. Pull requests, the time when you are submitting your code for the scrutiny of your colleagues, to make sure that everybody is on the same page and to make sure that the quality of the code is met. It's not always the easiest, but let's talk how to make it better. First one, for sure, is to make sure that your code is working. This is the most important thing, to have good time during the pull requests. And what I mean by that is to make sure that all the tests are passed, make sure that the test coverage is good, and maybe even run it manually on your machine if it's possible. I'm saying that because even myself, I was assuming that the code will work, and it didn't. And then it bounces back. And then I'm getting stressed trying to fix it again in rush because QAs, other of my colleagues are waiting for the code, and I will rush it and I will still not fix it because there will be another bounce back. Take your time, make sure that the code is doing what it's supposed to do before submitting, even if it takes more time, because in the long run you will save yourself and your colleagues more time doing something right than trying to rush and then fix the bugs. That's the first thing. Second thing, add some description to help your colleagues and make it part of a teamwork. When you're opening a pull request and you see 30 files with a lot of changes, it's very hard to see what it really is about. And adding short description saying, I've changed this in this entity and my reason was this and that, helps not only you, but also your colleagues to better provide feedback and provide higher quality feedback about what you're doing. All right, number 3, check the pull request in your ID. You can always pull branch of your colleague submitting pull request into your own ID, and trust me, especially in the big pull requests, it's way easier to look at the code as you would use it, if it makes sense, than just looking at the website, be it GitHub or Bitbucket, where, being serious, looking through 50 files of changes on Bitbucket is kind of ridiculous and hard. And even if you shouldn't submit such a big pull requests, it happens. So I will add 3.5 or 3.1. Make pull requests small. It will help you and your colleagues, and you will get way faster feedback about your code if you submit small changes but faster. All right, number 4. Every time you critique someone, you find a problem, provide a solution, or at least spark a discussion about how it could be better. The reason is there is certain amount of people, and I've been myself as well like this, where I would say, this is bad, do it again. But it is not a constructive feedback. If you feel that something is wrong and could be better, then say how to do it better. Don't just say this is bad and leave the other person hanging. Why did they go wrong? They don't know. We can safely assume that every single one of us is doing the best job they can. We are using all the knowledge we have to provide the best solutions and the best code we can humanly produce. But we are on different parts of our careers, and it's not always the best solution for the problem. But that's also the reason why we work in the teams, because we can help each other. So next time you see that someone could use design pattern or library, tell them that this is the better way and add code snippet. Or even better, pair program with them and show them how this part of the solution could be done better. Don't leave them hanging. Because trust me, they will resent publishing the next pull request if you start doing very unconstructive feedback. So make sure that they are happy and they are learning. Because this way, next time, they will be armed with the knowledge you gave them. So the next pull request, trust me, it will be better. Fifth and the last tip. For your own pull request, if you are in the position where you are not sure if this is the best solution, add comment on your own pull request and ask, does anybody has any idea how to make it better? This will show that you want to learn and you are yourself not sure if this is the best way, but you will take ownership over finding the best solution and sparking the discussion. It will also tell your colleagues that you need help, because asking for help can be hard, is very bad for our egos, but it helps you learn a lot in very short time, and it helps you remove the blockers you find on your path. It's very easy to look at Google to learn new things, but if you are stuck and you don't know exactly where are you stuck, it's way better to ask more experienced colleague for an advice to let you get you going forward. That's it. 5 ways how to improve your pull requests. Hope you liked it. Hope you liked and subscribed down below, and I will see you in the next one.